Hi guys, so today I want to talk about the reality of trading, right? This particular topic, most professional traders fail to discuss it, fail to tell their mentees and newbies that are coming into the space. By the way, don't mind my face. I just woke up from sleep, so I feel like to just make this video and post. Now, let me just give you guys a background, story, a backstory, right? So in Nigeria, typically, if you want to study any of these professional courses, it will cost you 5 years, sometimes some courses 6 years, like medicine, law, some engineering courses. Some other courses you spend 4 years of your life studying that course with knowing that, with no guarantee of you even having a job after you've graduated. 4 or 5 years, right? That's if you're having lucky, you get a job. That's when they'll be paying you 500,000 naira or 1 million naira per month listing for 4 or 5 years of your life, and you still don't have that certainty of you will get a job. But then we grow up we are trained to, in our mind, to feel like it's okay for you to go to school and waste those time, to study, even though we know that we may not have jobs, till the day you die. You may not have a government work, right? Now, in crypto or in trading in general, Forex, stock, and crypto, it is a skill that will teach you how to interact with the financial market directly. It's a skill that when you learn, you don't need someone to employ you. You don't need to go and submit CV in any company, then wait for someone to employ you and start paying you a fixed amount after every month. That's how trading works. But it's still that trading that most people don't want to waste those years to learn, but they are okay with it, wasting it in school, with no guarantee that they will even have a job. Trading, most people come into trading, newbies and everybody most people coming into trading, they come into trading with the mindset of to just get quick money, which is very bad. It took me 6 years. I started trading since 2018. Go and ask any other professional trader, it will take them 5 years, 4 years, 6 years, some 8 years, some 10 years of trading experience before they get where they are today. But a newbie, someone that is just scrolling on social media, will see your lifestyle and then he wants to have that lifestyle in less than a month or 2 or 5 months. Then that person will go and buy a course, or that person will join an academy, and that person will take a course for 1 year, and for 1 month, and after that person take that course, that person wants to just be making money immediately. That kind of mindset is only thieves. Only thief they get that kind of mindset, in my own opinion, right? Because you don't come and you are learning a skill that will expose you to trillions of dollars in market capitalization, market that has that trillions of dollars circulate every 24 hours. You are learning that skill that will expose you to that money. The money is like an open ocean. It's open for you. If you have knowledge, you just come with your cup, then you fetch every day, and you'll be making money from the comfort of your home. If you are on vacation, you can print money anyhow you want. That's the power. That's the knowledge you are looking for. But then you don't want to calm down. You don't want to follow the process. Let me tell you something. The bitter truth is, the moment you decide that you want to learn how to trade, and then you bought that course, or you joined that course or that class, right? After you are done with that course, that is not the end of your journey. That is even the beginning of your journey. That's where your journey starts. The moment you learn, you buy a course or you go to a class, maybe let's say they use weeks to teach you, or months to teach you, or 1 month to teach you, right? Then start counting from there. It will take you time. The only difference that you have with me now is because during our time there is no mentors, that will mentor us. We used to buy course from countries, other traders abroad. In Nigeria, we barely have mentors or professional traders that will buy courses from or go for mentorship for. Now the only difference is your own may be faster. It may not take you me. Before I started seeing results, it took me 2 years actually. Before I started seeing consistent results. That time I was making $30-something, $50, small share, but it was consistent, and I knew that I am I've cracked the code and I'm profitable. That's around 2021, something like that, right? But I knew that I don't make come. That's just the truth, because the profit, when it starts coming, you have that feeling that, okay, now like now the market will not suffer you. You will lose here and there, but the profits you'll be making will always be higher than the losses. If you are journaling your trade, you'll be able to like see that after every month or after any time you are checking your trading journal. So your own turn, it may take you like, let's say 2 to 3 to 4 years. Why not just sacrifice the time, like look for the knowledge and be consistent with it? You just come and then you learn trade, you lose money here and there, then you quit. Next thing, trading is a scam. Trading is not a scam, my brother. You understand? It's your mindset. This is the mindset that you come into the market with that is a scam. So you guys should be safe out there. I hope this video helps someone out there. Thank you.